Here are some quick setup instructions. Before hanging your cuckoo clock, we need to put a screw in the wall. Anchor a screw like this into a stud securely. If you don't have a screw, use a wall anchor and screw similar to this. Remove your cuckoo clock from the box and open the back. You want to remove the bellow clips with the blue tape. Also, remove the tape or paper that is securing the gong on the back of the door. Replace the door back onto your cuckoo clock. It is now ready to hang. Hang your cuckoo clock on the screw that is securely in the wall. Now you would want to remove the chains from the bag, letting them drop freely to the floor. Remove the shock cord by pushing the button and pulling the cord freely through the chains. Open the door hinge to free the cuckoo bird and hang your pendulum on the pendulum swinger. Now, place your weights on the hooks. Your clock is now almost ready. Go ahead and start the pendulum swinging and listen for an even tone tick-tock. You may have to tilt your clock gently left or right from the bottom to get the sound to be even.